Welcome everyone, this is Benny, and today we're making toaster pancakes with milk flavor.
Yeah, milk flavor.
Well, let's show them the items we will be using for today's pancakes.
We have flour, butter, sugar, milk flavor, honey, eggs, and our toaster. When preparing pancakes, we require a bowl and a whisk. When preparing pancakes, we require a bowl and a whisk. Pour in your flour, eggs, sugar, milk flavor, and whisk to combine.
Zero mess.
Try this hack at home and show us your results.
Bye, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.